Hello and welcome to How to Play Wish Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Wish Solitaire. To play, you will need 32 cards, the aces down to the sevens in each suit. The game is set up by creating 8 piles with 4 cards in each pile. Turn the top card of each pile face up. The object of the game is to remove all the cards from the piles. Cards are removed in pairs. The game begins by removing any pair available. I start by removing the 2 queens. When a card is removed from a pile, the top card can be flipped up. I will remove the pair of kings next and flip up the next top cards. Next, I will remove the pair of nines. This continues until no more cards can be removed or all cards have been removed. I come to a point where no more cards can be removed. I lose the game. If you are able to remove all the cards from the piles, you win the game. That wraps up How to Play Wish Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.